Okay, the first thing is that you need to open in tools, you need to go and group policy management. You need to open a group policy management, and I have opened already. So here you will see that this forest is available. So according to the theory and according to the procedure which I already told you, that how to create a GPO, simple GPO, how you will create. GPO is going to be created every time in your group policy objects, in group policy objects. So this is a container where you can create a group simple any group policy. Okay, so first step, there are two ways to create the group policy. One is called if you right click in a pane, new, and you can create in this way. The other way is a right click or new, you can create in this way as well. So there are two ways to create a group policies. It's up to you that how you create it, how you, so in English. So what you need to do, right click on it and new, you can create a group policies. Okay, and here you need to right click in a pane, you can create a group policy. Either way you can do it, and you can create a group policies. Okay, for example, I want to create a group policy, new. I want to say that like disable command prompt. Okay, disabling my command prompt. The first step, which I already wrote it on a board, you can see that first thing, create a GPO and GPO objects. Okay, so I have created the first object, that's a disabling the command prompt. Okay, right click. The second step is the editing. You need to edit it. When you're going to be edited, the second step, okay, in second step, when you're going to be edited, the window going to be front of you, that is called a group policy management editor. Okay, group policy management editor. You over here you have a policies like this one. If you see all together, they have a in over here 1500, and if you see in preferences over here, all policies 1900, around 3600 policies you have it. Okay, so what I need to do, I need to find it out my you can see standard view, extended view is up to you. So I need to be prevent access to a command prompt. This is a policy I need to be enable. Okay, prevent access to a command prompt in systems, prevent access to a command prompt. When I double click on it, so policy gonna be open front of me, and I need to be enable it. Okay, and apply, and alright. So this is a way how you enabling the policy. Okay, when you enable it, better you close it. And then the third step, link a GPO, where you want to be link it. I have some clients in my help desk, but you will see in this OU, or although I'm gonna show you, wait, if you see user and computers, in help desk I have a help 1 or help 2, or you can create any of the accounts inside in it. Okay, so in help desk I have a one account, that help 1. If you have a 2 accounts, for example, you are creating help 2, help 3, so you can create as many as you like in this container. So help 1 is in this container. So I want to be link this policy, okay, to my help desk. I can link to a sales OU, I can link to a main domain. Okay, anywhere, or I can link to my sites. Okay, anywhere I can link it. It's up to me where I want to be see my results, or where I want to be linked it. Okay, so right now for the first GPU, this is your first GPU. So going simple way, right click. How you link it? There are 2 ways to link it. One is a little bit appropriate way. In my point of view, drag and drop, and that's it. You link it like this one. So don't do like this one. So other way is a little bit good, like a professional. Right click and link existing GPO. Okay, link an existing GPO. Click on it, choose your GPO which you want to link it. You linked it over here. So when you linked it over here, you will see that this policy is here. Okay, so this policy is here. Later on I tell you different things about these policies. Okay, so step number 3 is done. Okay, then the step number 4, you have it the command gp update / force. Okay, run this command on a server side. Okay, and wait for it. I have done all 4 steps which I wrote it down on a whiteboard. Is it, you can see that I haven't done anything extra. So if you go through these steps, you can manage it. Okay, then you go to client side. In client side you will see you need to be run GP update. Okay, yeah. So what else you want to do? Might be is gonna be, you don't need to be log off and log in. Yeah, but sometimes you can see the results without doing a log off. Let me check. Okay, that's fine. Successfully. Here, my command prompt is blocked. Can you see? Can you read this message, please? So the GPO which I already implemented is showing me our results. Okay, so this message you saw in your uni or many other places. Yeah, library. Yeah.
I was being command thing. It doesn't allow me.
Yeah. So they disable the command prompt, so no one can run their commands and do experience in PC Word or somewhere else, right? So they can't do any practice over there. They are good. I mean, like you guys, you know. So can you implement this policy? Then we move forward. All right. I'm just. No, what you need to do, one thing is that you delete, right click and delete. Okay. So other thing is that here the enable GPO status is showing enabled, isn't it? So right click and uncheck this one. Okay, so it's not enabled.
It's enabled.
No, that's a little bit dim actually.
Enabled it.
Let me check it. But it's not enabled. You need to be enable, link enable. Yes, it's gonna be enabled now.
Okay. If you don't
So
want
it should be unlink this one. Okay, uncheck and that's it. It's not.
if you don't link area,
Yeah, it's okay. So it's little bit dim. It's not a prominent. You will see that. So it will not affect. Now what? Let me see the result. GP update. I did one thing. Okay, I want to bring my my command prompt back. So I haven't done. I just removed that one. Okay, so here.
We could run the command from the run menu.
Yeah.
So if we don't have the CMD even and run it through run, so the commands will work there.
Yep.
Wow.
What's that?
Here, look over here. It's open now.
So if someone is
It's open.
intelligent,
I mean that you can type something in here. You can give a command. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, unless you dislike and not link it.
Yeah. Got it. Yeah. Is okay.
Enabled.
Is enabled now. So my client side. What I did, I only changed from here, right click and uncheck this link. It's not affecting actually. It's little bit dim as well. If you see in your
Disabled now.
it's disabled now. Yeah. So there's a one way. Other way is simple. The other way,
The client side is open now.
because I did it.
That's how it is.
No. In client side, what I did, this policy I linked to this one. Okay. Now what I did, I unlink it. So although policy is there, but if it's not linked to anybody, so it will not work. It will not show the result which you want to be. Okay.
So it won't be disabled that one. Thanks.
No. Yes.
Update.
Now, see quickly. Please see this result, and if you have any problem, please ask me. Other policy I'm gonna make, that is called a new policy. Disable CP. Okay. Control panel.
Okay.
So better write it. Otherwise, I'd phone करके you're gonna ask me what is our CP.
ये अब क्या करेंगे? क्लाइंट साइड तक वो करेंगे कि
Server पे where I am working.
Server side.
where I am working,
Server.
group policy management,
Which
Going
one?
to the client side.
Client side. Oh, he is going to
client side definitely.
Okay.
Okay, disabling control panel, that policy I gonna make. Can you make it quickly please with me? Here in Go group policy object, right click and disable control panel.
That's
Okay, wait, I need to go to second step. What is the second step, Amit?
it. I did the GPU.
So with the GPU I made it. So what's next step?
Click.
Quickly, have you made it? Yes. Okay, so what you have to do now, right click and edit. So I need to edit it. I go to policies, I go to administrative template, here the control panel. Okay, I'm waiting for you. Quickly provide access to the control panel and PC settings.
He's doing from users. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
click on it here,
Enable.
apply, okay, and close this window editor. So I need to link, where I need to link it? Help desk, right click, link existing GPU, disable control panel. Okay, so after that I need to run magical command again, and while policies are getting updated, so I'm going to my client side. Client is getting policies from a server. Okay,
So, sir, we don't need to write any command on this. It was already updated.
I did it. Right, GP update I did it. So you will see, if you see, try to open a, let me log off, and I think so I need to log off. Here the control panel. This operation has been cancelled due to the restriction is effect on the computer. Please contact your system administrator. You can't do anything.
So, they need like a server manager after.
No, I blocked it. They can't do.
No, administrator, so they need help of server manager.
Yep. They can't add, remove programs. Although there are lots of policies for add and remove programs as well. So, but I'm disabling my
No, but
control.
like the way we are doing from server, we can do the same in client side group policy.
No, it gonna affect on
only for this computer.
only for one machine. I
One
don't.
machine,
Yeah.
Like my computer. I
Yes,
want
you
to-
can do in your on that side. Okay, but it's gonna be for one machine. But over here in help desk, if you have a 200 users, 100 users, so they all get it same policy.
No, the way is same, like way.
Yeah,
what we-
same.
Why they disable control panel?
Because people need to add, remove programs, and everything is there inside in it. Firewall setting, this and that, they want to do it. Okay, so that's why we do block them.
Okay.
I'm gonna be just unlink this one. Okay, so I want my control panel back on client side. That's why I'm just disabling this one. So right clicking again, and then I'm gonna be in new group policy objects. I go again and then new. Here I'm disabling recycle bin. Removing. Let me rename removing.
And disable can be.
It's okay. But removing recycle bin. So I give the policy name removing recycle bin, client side.
Again removing it.
Okay. So please. Okay. So what I have to do? Can you see? Right click, edit. When I gonna be edit, I go to the policies, I go to the administrator, I go to the desktop, Here is it. Desktop, and here remove properties from a recycle bin. Context menu. Sorry, no. Remove recycle bin from icon from a desktop. Okay. Yes. It's fine. So is a double click on it, enable it, apply it, and okay. That's it. And just close down again. So run command again.
So that's the way we can work anything. That's what they, in some colleges they do. Same. I used to work in your college in the beginning.
The machine is for nothing.
Say, Django access on my place.
Yeah.
If you delete something, yeah, we got to delete it.
For the machine is
We'll find it.
nothing. No use of nothing.
Now you need to log off and log in again. I think so.
उधर भी क्लाइंट में भी ऐसे ही करें.
Yep.
करें इसको.
Yes, and now I'm logging off my client. Okay, log off my client and log in my client. Log on my client. I did mistake.
Link.
I did mistake. I did mistake because I haven't linked it. So I can see my result. That's good learning as well. You do mistake, so you can't see the result again.
Again, what are you doing, sir?
GP update,
From client side.
server side and client side again.
This one later.
This recycle bin, where is this folder normally saved? Is it on the sheet or?
Yep.
In Windows, no?
Come on, it's taking time. ये पे फोर्स करना चाहिए था.
There's no recycle bin over here.
Yes.
Is removed. Icon is removed. So easily you can do it.
चलो चैप्टर भी नोट गया.
नहीं, Windows 8 से भी नहीं आएगा. Restriction.
Where is it? Where this remove run?
Down. Down. There it is. Remove and
Yep. That's why enable it. Okay. Need to link it.
ये सारा कुछ रिमूव करेंगे करेगा क्या चलो.
Okay. can't. It doesn't allow it, CMD. It won't allow me to anything to do with the run command.
Where do you check this? सर इसको किधर चेक करते हैं? ये जो हमने ग्रुप पॉलिसी सारी बनाई थी